Here I am. Who that is? Oh my god, it's orange. Why is it not? Oh my god, it's gone. It's gone. Oh my god, I found blue. Yes. Why is he running away? Is there something there? No, there's not. Green? Is that blue? I'm colorblind. Stop staring at me. Where'd it go? Anyways, let's walk around the house. Oh, yeah. I found the pink room, but there's no blue. That's not blue. Sorry, my inner demons are out. Oh no, there's another person that's a looky. Scary. My batteries are like, blue, yeah. Color scheme, giving Blippi. I hate Blippi. I used to watch him when I was 6. Hegna. Get away from me. That was, unfortunate. Very unfortunate. I'm not dying yet. Get blinded by my lights. No, thank you. Okay. Phew. Oh my god, I'm teaming up with someone. Thank you. Save me. Why'd you turn off your flashlight? I'll just use mine. But I'm running in circles. Oh my god, why are there so many people becoming lookies? I found the pink room again. My battery's low. Oh my god, girl, help me. Okay, she's gone, but in case. Why are you running away? Is there something there? Oh, hang no. Blind. Yes. Goodbye. Yeah, bye. Oh, no. That's just